many companies have made together towards national goals. Hiring process is currently compared to us Indians, it's very much they can spend less. Comparatively, Indian job market Bangalore has for the work from be active in building available for entry level offer everything you where you have worked on attach your Tableau optimizer. Hey guys, welcome to the new video. If you're new here, let me introduce myself to you. I am Smriti. I'm a data analyst living in Bangalore for past more than 9 years, and I have graduated. I've started living here since 9 years back. So after that I started working in Bangalore, and since then I have been here. And if you're new here on this channel, you will see how I navigate through my life, how I live my life, because I have been living outside my home for more than 15 years. I think I share little bits and pieces of my life through my vlog. And probably if you're someone who is a fresher and who's thinking of moving out of their home, probably a new city, new state, how you can navigate through your life, how you can build connections, how you can build network, how people in corporates they live, how they make friends here. So I just share through my vlog how I am navigating my life, and probably you can learn too. So this channel is all about that. Now in this video we are going to talk about what is the current job market scenario, not just in Bangalore but all over India. And I want to talk about the in India in general, because of the fact that for the reason that you all belong to different parts of India, and how is the scenario, current job market scenario. After this fiscal new year started, many companies have made various changes in their company rules and how they can really benefit and profit out of the current scenario, current recession that is going on. And it's not just companies. You might have heard the news about the Google, Microsoft or Amazon, big tech companies. Along with my company too, I have seen changes, like I have seen so many changes in terms of managing the resources and how each resource can play a vital and pivotal role in the company together towards the organizational goals. So the one thing that you need to keep in your mind, that how you can contribute towards the organizational goals, not just towards your team, towards your company, towards your project, because they are seeing towards the organization how you contribute that. Saying that, it's not just the tech companies, startups also. Startup has like few employees, 10, 12, 5, 6, you number. And when they think about that, each and every employees, they play a very important role, how they can provide the data towards the CEO. And when any company, because of the recession, they are thinking about each and every resources that they're hiring, that's very important, pivotal for them, that how that one particular resource can contribute towards the company. That's why I think the hiring process is currently has slowed down. Clearly you can see everywhere, not just in India. Why I talked about India, because I have seen few examples, news, how the current scenario is going on in US, in Canada, in countries like UK. The current job scenario is like there is too much recession, and for each employee, company spends certain amount of dollars towards them. And that's where the second point comes, how the current job market scenario, especially in India, when you see those companies, MNC companies in India versus they are hiring in other countries, there are more layoffs in other countries. Why? Because they are spending in dollars, they are spending towards their employees in dollars, and it's hard for them to get any job. Compared to us Indians, it's very much easy. If you've seen the current news about the Google or Microsoft, they are completely terminating and sunsetting the team there in US or in their countries, and they are building a complete new team here in India. Why they are doing that? Because first of all, the cheap labor here in India, they pay us in rupees, not in dollars, and when you convert rupees and dollars, there is huge difference. And that's why they think that they can spend less and they can get a very good amount of information knowledge in terms of software engineering or data analytics or data science field through Indians, because we Indians are don't underestimate yourself. We hold a very important value to these MNCs. They need you, and that's why, though they are not hiring in other countries, comparatively Indian job markets are far better. I just have did my research on LinkedIn, and I've seen that. I'll just attach this screenshot here on the screen. You can see by yourself that there are so many openings here in India with 0 level of experience, entry level, be it 1 to 2 years of experience or 2 to 4 years of experience. This opens a very good opportunity for you, because I know that majority of my viewers are freshers or students. They are trying to get into this field. Apply for as many as job as possible, because currently companies are not looking for hiring the senior position role and pay a huge sum of amount to them. They are looking for freshers who have worked on certain projects, who have the skills, who know about the projects, how to handle the case studies, and with minimum number of days of trainings, they can really take into the role. And that's where you guys come. So try your best. Do not think that current market scenario is very bad. Who will hire us as a fresher? Because this is the right time for you to keep on applying and try your luck. Let's move on to the next topic. So the next point is places where this job market is prevalent. I would talk about Bangalore's job market in that case, because I know that Bangalore has many startup companies, let alone HSR layout in Bangalore. That single area contains more than 500-600 startup companies. Just imagine that, how the level of companies that we have here in Bangalore. If you belong to any part of India, many companies are open for the work from home positions, mainly startups, because they do not just want to have a office space and pay rent or lease to the owner. That's why they have implemented this work from home scenario. So whichever company you're applying to, if that is startup, very well, because many startup provides the work from home position. And if it's a MNC, look forward to applying the Bangalore area or Hyderabad, but mainly Bangalore has a many huge job markets compared to all over the India. Next point is what you can do if you're a fresher, what you can do if you are new in the position. What I would suggest is, if you're a fresher, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Be active in building your network, optimize it. Do not just ping people that, because I have had many such messages that people just ping me that if you have any openings in your company, please refer me, attaching the resume. I will never look at those messages. If you see any companies that if there is a position available for entry level role in any company, first of all, try to add in the network the talent acquisition team from that company, as well as look for the people who are already currently working in that company, and then send them the invitation. Once they accept it, you can just tell them that I have seen that this position is empty in this company. Would you be kind enough to refer me? Not just directly, but curate your messages, a complete sentence. Use AI for that, for example, but do not be like too formal and just look like that you have just copy pasted everything from AI. Add some personal touch to it, so that the person who is reading your message, they will find it a genuine case and they will think of referring you. And I have referred many people in my company. Nobody will just go on their position on behalf of you and look for the roles empty for you. Nobody has time for that, honestly, not even me. And the next thing is prepare yourself. Attach your example where you have worked on certain projects from Kaggle or from anywhere else. Attach your portfolio on GitHub or any places, or for example Tableau Public. Attach your Tableau Public link that you have created such and such dashboards on certain things, so that they will be able to look through that link and see that, okay, you have experience of creating a dashboard. You can create an interactive dashboard, and you have the exposure to how the corporate world works, how the corporate data works. That's when your work projects and case studies really matters. If you're from a different profile, if you have just completed your college and if you do not have any idea about the data analyst position or analyst position in general, you can always enroll into few institutes like Great Learning, Great Lake, Scalar. These are the few institutes who will help you with the placement assistance, as well as they will give you the work and projects to work in. I hope that will help. So there are few points that I've mentioned for the freshers. Optimize your LinkedIn profile, send a personalized message to the people, and add and network the talent acquisition team. Search on LinkedIn for 0 to 1 years or 1 to 2 years of experience, and being a fresher, you have a very good chance to get your job here in Bangalore or any startup companies or any companies in general. And the last point is Bangalore has many startups, many MNCs, and they are looking forward to hire freshers. MNCs are hiring fresh instead of hiring the senior position role. I'm sure that this will help you, though the current market scenario is not as good as past 2 years. Back in 2022, the job market was like here, open positions, but not as much right now. I think you can really utilize your time and efforts in building the network and apply for the jobs. Please believe that you have many opportunities. Do not underestimate yourself or your skill. Brush up your skills, adding your projects, and all the very best. I would really appreciate if you could like, subscribe, share this video with anybody who is aspiring to get into this job role, or aspiring to move to Bangalore, or just like vlogs in general, because I create lifestyle vlogs. I am sure that this will help you, and all the very best. Till then, bye bye.